We live in a digital age where our phones have become an extension of ourselves. We use them for everything: work, personal conversations, and even sensitive info like medical documents or financial details. But there's a major catch. Have you ever stopped to think about how secure those emails really are? Most people assume their emails are private, but that's not always the case. Today, I'm going to show you why email encryption on Android isn't just useful, it's absolutely essential. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your inbox. Why you need email encryption. Let's break this down. Imagine you're sending an email like a postcard. It's easy for anyone to read if they intercept it. Now, encryption is like sealing that postcard in an envelope. Only the person you're sending it to has the key to open it. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. Regular email wasn't designed with privacy in mind. Sure, technologies like TLS, transport layer security, keep emails safe during transmission, but once that email reaches its destination, it's often wide open for anyone who can access your inbox, and that's a serious risk. And don't even get me started on mobile risks. Using public Wi-Fi, syncing multiple email accounts, or even losing your phone can expose sensitive info. That's why securing your emails on Android is so important, whether you're a tech pro or just someone who values privacy. Android's native options. Alright, so what does Android actually offer when it comes to email encryption? First off, if you're using Gmail, you might think it's fully encrypted, but not quite. Gmail does use TLS to secure messages while they're in transit, so your emails are safe from prying eyes when they're moving between servers. But here's the thing, Google or anyone else with access to your account can still read the contents. For more secure communications, you'd need something like SMIME, an encryption method used by corporate services like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. But this method requires digital certificates and a bit of a setup, so unless you're in a business environment with IT support, this isn't exactly a user-friendly option for most people. Third-party apps for real encryption. Now, if you're serious about email privacy, it's time to look at third-party apps that offer real end-to-end encryption. Let's start with Proton Mail. This app, based in Switzerland, encrypts your emails by default, meaning even Proton itself can't read your messages. It's simple to use, just like any other email app, but with far more privacy. Another great option is Tutanota. Not only does it encrypt the email content, but it also secures things like the subject line and attachments. Whether you're using the free or paid version, Tutanota is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants extra layers of security. But what if you want to stick with Gmail or Outlook? Don't worry, you can still encrypt your emails with PGP or pretty good privacy. It's an older method, but it's extremely secure. The downside? It's not exactly beginner-friendly. You'll need two apps, K9Mail and OpenKeychain, to make it work. But if you're willing to put in a little time and effort, it's a powerful way to protect your messages. Simplifying encryption. Now, I know all these encryption methods might sound like a lot to digest. Don't worry, though, many apps have simplified the process so you don't have to be a tech expert to get started. Take Proton Mail and Tutanota, for example. They handle all the encryption for you behind the scenes. All you have to do is sign up, verify your email, and boom, your messages are encrypted. No need to fiddle with key pairs or digital certificates. For those of you going the PGP route, apps like OpenKeychain make it easy to create your keys. It might feel a bit like setting up two-factor authentication for the first time, but it's manageable once you get the hang of it. Once everything's set up, the encryption process becomes automatic. Just send and receive encrypted emails seamlessly. Best practices for email security on Android. Of course, encryption alone isn't enough. Here are some best practices to follow for keeping your Android email secure. 1. Update your apps and operating system regularly. Security patches are crucial, and using outdated software can leave you vulnerable. 2. Use a screen lock and biometrics. It's a simple step, but pins, fingerprints, or facial recognition can stop thieves from accessing your inbox if your phone is lost or stolen. 3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Adding that extra layer of security to your email accounts can make a huge difference. 4. Watch out for phishing attacks. Encryption secures the content of your email, but it doesn't protect you from deceptive senders. Always verify the source before clicking anything. The bigger picture. Email encryption on Android isn't just about locking up your messages, it's about regaining control of your privacy. Sure, it takes a little bit of setup, but once you're done, it's easy to maintain. And the peace of mind that comes with knowing your emails are secure? Totally worth it. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at tleras.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how TLeras works in real time, request for a demo to see how TLeras AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. So, are you ready to take control of your email privacy? With options like Proton Mail, Tutanota, and PGP, securing your Android email is more accessible than ever. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your digital life safe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. Stay safe out there.